Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the dark arts wizard of test automation and owner of really fantastically loud shirts. Um, I figured I'd sit here and talk a little bit about a new tool that I've come across. I had a friend of mine, Jason Arbon, who I'll be trying to talk to a little bit more later this week, was kind of hitting me up about this cool thing called over at Google Labs called Project Genie. Project Genie is this AI kind of environment that will essentially go and build environments for you based on just descriptions. So I thought I'd go and kind of play around with it and see exactly what it does. This is Project Genie here. I'm going to go and experiment on creating all sorts of different little, I guess they all sorts of different items over here. If I, let's see, I'm going to go click on this puddle jumper. I'm going to go hit play on that. Can I move this around? Is this live? Well, that's just a movie going on over there. Well, that's kind of cool. All right. What else do we have going on over here? I guess we can go just create. Here's a little snow. Let's see, remix. If I can do a remix, this is oh, I can modify the sketches over here. The snail is riding a bicycle. Let's try that. Oh, Polly, you gotta spell better than that. Cycle. Let's try a bicycle. I will go and let's see, what do I have to do? This is a third party. I don't think bicycle is correct. Modify your sketch, create world. What am I missing here? You'll have to save your modification. Oh, okay. Guess I'll click on modify there and see what happens when we get this little scale to. I'll go here and play around with. Oh, we have a watcher from YouTube. Thank you very much. I appreciate you sitting here and coming in to check me out. Playing around with Project Genie, which is an AI driven. Oh, look at this. And now I got a snail that's made out of all sorts of fur. I'm going to go create this world over here. So I figured I'd go and see what I can do to do this. I can enter the world and then it can be saved as a video and shared. And you can use the space to jump around, modify prompts to do new interactions. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Let me see. Can I'm going to go move and I can look up and down. Oh, that's kind of cool. I hope I don't. Let's see. Can I? Oh no! I went off the track. Oh, that's not. Oh, careful. So I'm. Let's see. Can I jump? Oh, yes, I can jump. Oh, let's go. Oh, we gotta go after these people over here. Let's go jump into the crowd. Wee! Oh, yes. A little higher up. Come on. Don't do all these stunts over here. There's some like stuff over there. Okay, we move that guy around. Cool. All right. Well, that's kind of neat. I should just probably keep some of the stuff in the background over here as I go riding along, riding along. Oh, I'm going to go over to the hill and check out these little creatures over here. Ooh, wow, that's kind of neat. All right. Well, that's an AI-driven environment, but what I want to do is I want to do my own environment. So this is going to come to an end. That movie ends over here. What if I wanted to create a whole new world? So there's two things I can do over here is I can describe the environment. Let's see. What can we do? Environment is a frozen outdoor maze of bushes. Okay. Frozen with our maze of bushes. Describe your character. Danny Torrance is a young kid who is running through the maze in the snow. Okay, Polly has a. I should probably just use my creation over here. I'm using an actual name over there. Let's just say the young kid is running through the maze in the snow. Bad guy is chasing him. Make it a clown. Yeah. Clown is chasing him through a maze of bushes located near an old hotel. Well, I think I know what movie we're describing over here. So I'm going to hit the create the sketch over there and see what we might get out of that. It's kind of cool. Okay, we're going to be waiting for this to create this skit. Kind of a combination of two things of the Overlook Hotel, which is actually created. I can remember different kinds of worlds, but not that one. Can I try? Oh, all right. It won't let me do that. All right, let's see. How about, well, that's no fun. Circus act with robots in the audience. Young was swinging from the trapeze. Trapeze. Swinging from a trapeze. Let's see, there's robots and clowns perform tricks below trapeze. That's how you show the environment. Kid is swinging from trapeze to the next in the air. All right, let's try that. Apparently, I can't create things that are too darn close to something in reality. Well, that funny. And then there's a choice of doing a third person or a first person. So I'll have to go. All right, there's a kid. All right, we're going to create this world. All right, we use WASD to move around and arrows to look around and space to jump. So let's get in there and check it out. Ooh, okay. I need to be a little bit more animate. Okay. See if I can jump over to the. Let's take a look around a little bit. There's our big top. There's our kid. Let's go looking down. He broke it. Oh, kid. Come on, kid. You broke this thing. How could you do that? Oh, he's running away. Okay, jump. And he is going around in a circle, and now he's left the auditorium. And I don't have a real good view. I should move that over here. Where's my robots? There's lots of little robots watching him. Okay. Yeah. This is not as fun as I thought it was going to be. All right. That's one kind of world out there. Oh, I have another viewer coming in from Twitch. Usually somebody just kind of looking around. This is all from the Google Live. There's actually an AI studio over here where you can do all sorts of different apps. I guess there's a vocal toy app. I guess this code's already been created over here. So I've never used around this whole stuff. So I'm going to go and take a look at what there's our development. Boy, it would be cool to put my automation framework up into this. That would be kind of new and neat. Um, cool. How do I get it to run? It'd be neat. Copy, download app, preview, break. Oh, that's how I run it. So I rebuild it. I rebuild a cat. There's a cat, and I break the cat. Ooh, look at that. I can make eagles, 2 eagles. All right. I can zoom in like that. Am I limited here? And then can break the eagles. All right. I guess okay. Interesting. I go back to start. Images with VO. Bring images like with VO. Let people load a product video and turn it into a dynamic video ad. It's kind of cool. What do I do here? Some advanced settings over here. That's kind of cool, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. All right, well, what else? We got a shader pilot. All right, let's get our shader pilot. Take a look what it's going to do. Oh, there's our preview. Here's the code, some controls. You get access to all the controls. That's kind of neat. I guess this is, we're re-rendering this. I don't know what I'm doing with that button. Okay. I guess. Oh, there's some sound that comes with it. I didn't know we get sound. That's neat. Tell you what, I'm going to remove this and then hit editing, add to stage. I'm going to remove that and see if I can. I want to add that. Let's see. Stop screen share. I will add a screen share. We'll do a video screen share over here. I want to share the entire screen. Turn also the audio on, and then we'll share this. Share. And now you should be able to hear this. All right. So I guess, that's like generating light or something. You can go around and zoom around. Weird stuff in the back. All right. Okay. That's the audio. All right. There we go. That's kind of cool. All right. This is kind of heading down, but the sun is setting. And I see something down here and go down. This moving backwards. Okay. There we go. Now I'm aiming and let's go hit a building. I want to go down over here and check out these buildings. Woo! I mean, that is a pretty cool looking ship. I know it's up. That means it's not actually more of kind of a weird background. Okay, that's kind of cool. Shader pilot. All right, let's go back to our start. See what else we got down here. Go to the app gallery. Oh, here's a cool little game. We'll go play that. And I'm going to guess we get all the code that does all this. And then I can do camera request, allow camera access. Sure, you can look at my camera. Burp. I think we want the integrated camera. Which one do you want? I will allow it. So now it's just looking at me, and my live camera is now being used by two different things at once. All right, so my face is in the background over here. And I guess I could go shoot this, pinch and pull, pinch, pinch. Oh, hey, wait, my hand is here? Okay. Can I? Oh, okay. Pull there. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna go and hit that. I hope I got the sound on. That's kind of neat. Pinchy. Well, you didn't go exactly where I wanted you to go. Am I green? Am I within the ball? Do I have to get closer? Okay. The ball over here. How many do I have to have? Come on. Is it taking a minute to draw the ball? Analyzing. All right. Can I select a different color? Let's select here's a purple. I mean, I guess it's okay. There we go. Cool. Blew that up. And I think I want a blue one. The blue one, I'm going to go over here. Oh, I lost it. Yeah, it's cool and all. Let's go back. Back to start. Let's go to the game. Oh, hey, I got another viewer looking at me. Oh, no, that's still Twitch. It's usually the Twitch guy just stares at me and goes, what is he probably looking at today? App gallery. Let's go down, check out a few other things that are being played. Okay, there's some balls. I've seen these on the internet over here. Sky Metropolis. Ooh, synthwave sound. Internet favorites. Let's go watch these little balls over here moving around for a little while. All right, that's 0 G hexagons, all sorts of different. Can I make you move? Can I make you change stuff? Nanobots, one big heavy ball. Speed. Oh, they're really bouncing out. Change the gravity being low or just no gravity. Oh, look at them. They're flying. It's all going around. The rotation thing is going much faster. All right. And bounciness. Not making bounce as much. Sim speed. Oh, they are going so fast. Okay, so with the gravity and the bounciness off, it doesn't seem to do much of anything. This gravity did not come back. And okay. So maybe I want to, make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Paulie, you didn't add anything to the screen. Oh my gosh, you just one guy watching me and I'm doing nothing. All right. So I guess I can change the speed of all this. All right. Okay, I'm going to have a whole bunch of bounciness. And we're going to remove the gravity a little bit. Just a little bit of gravity. All right. Kind of cool. Guess what's the code that you need to do that here? Oh, cool stuff there, and different canvases, simulation. All right. What else can we do? I don't know. This is all weird stuff that's out there. Do I have my own little projects that I can play around with? Just created a whole new world over there. Project Genie. What other tools we have over here? FX Project Genie. Well, it's basically back to where we started. Hmm. Cat on a thing over here. Yeah, guess virtual environments are cool. Um, let's go to Google Labs. How do I get to? Just want to go to the Google Labs. All right, it's kind of interesting. Other experiments. She's a experiment AI productivity by Gmail Labs. Disco. Place to test AI features for the web. All right. Board, experimental AI powered concept board. Let's go try it now. Get started. This one. Expand your ideas. New project. Okay. Pick an example of what can we do. What do you want to create? What do I want to create? A mind map of a test automation framework named Optimus Prime. Is it going to have a problem with Optimus Prime? Okay, so it's trying to figure out what I'm doing over here. It was pretty generic, I admit. Transform your board. Ready in about 20 minutes. Try that. Where's my board? Okay, so it kind of created some Optimus Prime. I guess. What's this? Parallel processing. Oh, actually, that's actually neat. I mean, yeah, there are frameworks. What do you want to change? I want to well, we have the list OS and browsers separately. I really should do that from the voice over here. Oh, I got somebody else watching over here. I'm just kind of playing around with the Google AI. So I've asked it to kind of create a mind map, and I get a very generic description. And that person has left. So it doesn't matter much over there. But if I turn on a little music, music's always a little fun over there. Let's try. Okay, we got a little bit of that going over there. Oh, I got another viewer over here. So I'm trying to figure out how this stuff, I was going to work out my Optimus Prime test automation framework and describe it. There is a library of functions that are, let's see, these, the music is a little distracting over there. Library of functions that are wrappers, or what if I turn on my voice over here? The common methods in test automation: enter, select, click, verify, navigate. not necessarily in that order. We'll see what it does. See if it comes up with something. Transform into presentation, add high quality images. I mean, it did come up with these pretty cool images. Compile, build, application. I guess is the testing unit, and it's breaking them. So it does get break into production. That's kind of cool. I wonder if it created that right on the fly. Here's a couple little things over here. I can move them. So I'm not exactly sure how to move the background over here. Let's see. Here's your core system. All that sort of stuff. Is it done yet? So it gave. Oh, it just put this text in here. All right. Now in browsers to test. Oh, this is the text I put in there before. Common operating systems. Oh yeah, definitely. What I do? I don't know if I can legally use any of those images that they have over there, but you do have Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, and yeah, most of them actually work on it. And then you have Android and iOS mobile for testing. Cool, I like that. We want functions that will find an element by text alone. All right, that's kind of cool. Okay. Click will find only links, and button class objects. Okay, so I really should be talking while I into my thing that I do this, because I am got one person who's watching from YouTube. Thank you very much. And here's a web page. What's this? Social media links in the search bar. Yeah, I guess. Maybe just putting together a mind map of describing what an automation framework does would be kind of cool. What's this guy? He just drew a half a dome over here. This guy, what do we got here? It said you want to do ingesting, a filter, and transform. Well, this is just kind of nonsense. And this is the blank spot where there's just, I don't know what the heck's going on over there. Upload camera. Here's my zoom. 54%. It's not a very fast, responsive system, to say the least. Can I go left, right, up, down, A, D, F? I have no idea how to center on it. Oh, that's how I center. Okay, so I'll come over here. That is a cool looking image. I like it. I love gears. What's this? Some sort of gear, some paint of a gear, some graphs. Well, that's definitely reporting over there. We definitely need to have that. Action wrapper library. Okay. Oh, hold on. This is interesting. Created an action as standardized user interactions for test automation. Well, yeah, that's pretty close. It's spelling. Does it spell these things right? You have click, select, navigate, verify, enter, and another enter. Can I modify that? Oh, click, edit annotations. What do I want to change? Gosh, click, select, enter. Man, I should go over to my other thing. I want to go to WebSim. We'll go over there and check out WebSim. We'll go over to the latest thing that I was working on over at WebSim, and just go grab that, my test automation checklist. And there it is. The basics things that you have to do. Man. Yeah, I was thinking about this and breaking it into my automation framework to do what I have over here. So what I want to do is use this as my little litmus test for testing different automation platforms and seeing what they got, what they can work with. So I think we'll come back to the mix board in a little while. I think I'll do this. This mix board is kind of cool. I mean, look at this, just creating an action wrapper library. What? Oh, I'm now drawing on it. I can draw over it. Can I hit cancel? Yes, I guess I can hit cancel on that. What do I want to create? Let's see. Well, list of elements and their types over here. I get some interactions and stuff. I don't really know what to do with that. I am boring somebody. I guarantee it. By the way, I do like to turn on my comments when I'm doing this. So I'm going to go and be a nice guy, friendly guy. Oh, hey. Good. All right, we got this. Can I suggest one music? Yeah, you can suggest. Sure. I've got. I'm not sure. I'm going to take a look at my media accents over here. Maybe something a little bit different. How about Electro Town? Do that. It's kind of cool. All right. Estexian Trial. So you're here hanging out, watching me. This is kind of cool. I just thought, I only paid $150 for this, so I figured, what the heck? I might as well get my 3 months out of it and play around with this every day. Okay, share it. Download board. So you can share. I guess the board's being downloaded over there. Yeah, there's my board. Ain't that cool? It is now listed over here. Cool. That's neat. I mean, the images are. Oh, what's this? So we got the strategic test automation pyramid. Yeah. That's right. End-to-end test at the top. You want to do some integration tests, and then you have unit tests. By the way, unit tests are generally left for the developers. I'm the QA automation engineer. So, increasing scope, increasing frequency, and increasing cost and stuff. And running tests in a cloud environment in parallel. Put that in there. I'll try and keep an eyeball on when I get new messages over here. Got 2 new messages. Oh, hello. Diablo Swing Orchestra, Voodoo Mon Harbor Orchestra. Diablo, I have no idea. I don't even know how to get that, but let me see. I've got media assets. I love being interactive. So I'm going to throw this is my back studio over there. I'll throw that up here. Let's see what I can find on those comments. Diablo Swing Orchestra. Now, these assets over here. Got this music. Now, can I search for music? Are you talking about there's music that's a fade track in and out? More music. All right. I can add music or upload music or search. Add music. Who's adding music from my current system over here? Don't want to try some of these. Well, these are. I can't even click on these. I think I feel like I've been distracted. Well, if you don't like the this song, let's see. How about Legend? Yeah. Not quite what I'm looking for. Groovin'? Little grooving platform? Okay, with that. All right. So now that I've got a friend over here who's watching, let me go back over here, check my comments. Let's see. All right. So what do I call you? Estet. Oh, Estet. Oh yeah, you are one of my people. Estet, in case you don't know, it's software developer, engineer, and testing. So, cool stuff. Tomorrow I think I'm going to be starting a job, and it's about, you can see it's just after midnight right now. Oh, look at this. Just added a few other things. Find by text, safe click. I hate those the name searches there. I want to turn safe click. How about click advanced? Click ADV. Something like that. And you give it an element. But also not an element, just give it a text over here. All right, you know what? I'm going to do something for you. Since Estet, you decided to hang out and watch me, we're going to go take a look at one other thing. We're going to take a look at, I think I'm going to need to separate my window over here. So I'm going to go put my display window into, I think we'll do this, like that. No data, get that up there. I want my actual, I want to view this close. Well, that was done. I want to view this. Come on. All right, there's my list over there. The easiest way to go view my list is to go directly to the link. So I'll copy the URL. I'll punch this in here, off that, like that. It still puts me into edit mode. I want to be actually in the, I want to go to my actual home and look at my projects. Let's see, posted for everyone who plays thumbnails. That's a thumbnail. Okay, you can view it. Everyone. All right. All right, so what I want to do is kind of get rid of this just so I can just see that item over there. But because I'm logged in, I know what I will do. We'll go into dark mode, not dark mode. We'll go into incognito mode. I'll punch this in here, and we should get. It still has me logged in, which is rather interesting. I just want to see this. Let's upload, create messages, copy URL, download, report, view source, recognize. I think that need to be this wrapped up into this. Fine. You would think that there would be something where I could just like the projects posts. Did I have this posted? Yes, I have this posted. Yes. But it still gives me all the code. Don't want the code. There we go. Just turn off the code. Okay. Oh, it's way too long. Way too long to do that. I was a little disappointed in that. By the way, yes, as said, I also will do voice imitation on request if I think I can do that. You know, it's really kind of cool. I'm going to bring my face over here for a second over here. I'm going to bring up my face. So that's me. Let me see. Do I have a toy? I have a toy. Marty! Every time we go back in time, the darn car gets smaller. I'm too big to fit into the car there. All right. I really wish somebody would give me a hand. That would be kind of cool. How about if we had this guy like this? It's kind of cool. Maybe I'll stick him up over here. That'd be kind of fun. And Diablo's like, dude, what are you freaking doing? Yep. So you want me to grab the Diablo Swing Orchestra off of YouTube? You're not going to get me the run, are you? You wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do that. All right. It seems like a good idea. I'm glad you're suggesting these things to me. Let's see. You said Diablo Swing Orchestra. All right. Diablo Swing Orchestra. All right. Look what we got. Check this out. Check this out, buddy. Check this out, my friend. All right. Let's try this. You gonna get me in trouble? Okay, first of all, I gotta turn off the other music. Oh, I like this. We'll find that music. I mean, yes, that's and then this is good. I'm a fan of swing. I'm a fan of any type of music that's kind of good. Where's that? A little loud in that. Exactly. You like that? Your thumbs up or something like that? I like. Oh, you know my. I haven't. Questions is copyrighted. I'm gonna get so, no. It's interesting to keep up this music because my grandparents were actually professional swing volume dancers. They did not teach me anything about that. Cool. I know how to do funny hop, and a little bit of that's about it. All right, we're gonna get back to it because I noticed we have a third person who joined us. Thank you very much. What am I doing tonight? Well, I am playing around with. Well, I'm gonna throw this down over out of the way.
In the final hour, you can cleanse yourself.
So I'll put together a list of the pieces that you should be able to expect in a destination tournament. And I divide them into and also exams. So the first thing I want to do is, instead of starting automation, be able to make that at least 2-3 different configurations. Do you have those configurations available? Can you give us something to so that's the first I do. And oh wait a minute, yes. Okay, all right. So we got 2 different accounts. Right there. That is. Anyway, let's go. I'm gonna go. I like it. It's kind of a funky way of writing it. From a different, after hours. Here goes. It's nice. I'll go out. It's the accent. It's because it's high. a different dog. Oh, there we go. That worked. All right. Okay. Sign in. That is not the one I want to sign in with. That doesn't exist anymore. I want to go with the Dark Arts Wizard sign in. Okay. Oh my God. I'm going to be sitting here. Plug in with Google. I want the Dark Arts Wizard. That you are you? There we go. Oh, here's the email. Please verify your device. Okay, I'm verifying. All right. Wonder. The rest of that. It's talking to me about I didn't get this. Send the authorization code. I'll be out. I gotta send him out. I'm gonna go send this all in down here. Something coming from GitHub. Yeah, I had multiple. Yeah. Please verify your device. I'm looking for something like this. Oh, there it is. Very high. 2, 2, 2, 4, 7, 4, 4, 4. So Genie. Apple. I already know I have volume. Let me try. Is there more music than that? Oh, that's some different things. Why in the world I'm trouble? Which one is going to get me? Log out.
She'd be the last one to
Let's
leave.
sign that one in. What's the account? I'm so sorry, guys. Did not. Quite a while doing this. We'll try that. Hello. 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 There we go. All right. Took me a little while, but I'm there. All right. There's all my different apps. All right. Let's turn the music down. All right. So, in a little check. You'll see how much I can find inside of my autonomous app tools. So I have 4 people watching, 3 people from YouTube. Thank you very much. The chat is open. Chat is always live once you got logged in. I cannot believe I sat there watching this. All right, so here's our basically. First of all, we want to know what Facebook environment is going to interact with. I'm going to go be looking at this. Guys, I'm going to public connection. I don't like clicking on things. And if I move my mouse over here, it automatically expands. If I move it away, it keeps me there. That's freaking brilliant. Put it in your developer. All right, I'm going to go and take a look around over here. Application, YouTube, and then network. Exactly. Settings. Here. Let's go over to worst case scenario. Oh, browsers and devices. All right, there we go. How many different operating systems do we have? We have Linux, Mac, and Windows. We have Windows, Mac, Basic, and if I go to the advanced down here, we have Linux. Oh, he doesn't have Linux. I don't have to have Linux. All right, I'm going to put Linux into that environment. I'm just going to edit this. And I'm going to go over here to JavaScript name. That's I want to go to name index. I'm going to go see styles. I want to go to name. I want the whole index is what I want. Give me the whole. I want to edit that. About this. Yeah, that's what I want to edit over here. So what did I have on my main over here when I was looking at this? I have, what was I doing? I'm going to put that under, I'm going to put that under the here. 2 things at once. I'm going to open over here to the advanced one. Browser edge. Oh, good. Access that. And it's a little bit above this. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, this is what's bad. This is really OS browser. I want to do is there's our Windows here. This copy that. Put that in there. And let's go. Okay, I got 2 copies. And the second copy and there you actually put it. What browser runs on this? I will go save that here. And we will go and bring this back over. So, all right. So I've got Windows. I've got Mac. I'm home is there. So I've got Windows and Mac. Sounds good. Browser. I got home and Safari. Home and Safari. So we got Edge. Windows Safari. What am I missing? So I've got Windows. Oh, and Windows. Homework. Windows 8, Windows. Sorry. Okay. That. I have 4 people watching that. Cool. Viewport. You know, I don't even have it listed over here. I'm not going to have to go edit, but definitely different types of. One thing I do know. What about browsers? What about okay, so we do have iOS and Windows Edge with Android. So that's that. All devices. Cool. Add me. Okay, there's my perfect numbers in there. The browser, home, Firefox, Safari. This is Firefox. Put out a note. Note to myself. I'm going to put Firefox. And then I should put the back over to see if anybody's sending me a message. We have a message. Okay. I said chat with Polly Live. Nobody's messaging me. Okay, fine. I have no idea, but I guess I'll add something new. So notes, add to the automation list. I'll do it. Firefox. I think Firefox should be basic, or is it like kind of like there's one version back versions back. good. And the viewport sound. What's this? You just say, just tell me what size you want. Okay. You can go to 800, 400, all these different sizes over here. That's kind of cool. Anyway, this is my screen over here. Uh, this is my background screen, and it shows me there's an 800 by 400 screen, 800 by 600. I don't think anyone does 800 by 400 anymore. That's back in the 80s. 800 by 600 is this screen area here. What else do we have? 124 by 7. This shows me I got a wide screen. Do I have a 2560? I can't get that one. There's a 10. It's a wide screen. Well, that's a good amount of width for interacting and testing a lot of stuff. But keep in mind, the one thing is that when you're doing automation, don't get focused on how many different things, because you're going to have all sorts of different tests. And the first thing is make sure it works on your primary user's combination. If everybody's using Windows and Chrome, make sure it works all on that. Don't get all crazy about, I'm going to make it hit all the edge cases. I got like one guy using Chrome, and someday I got one guy using Safari and Apple, and one day we might use Edge. So we should just run. We have a limited time of life on this earth. And by the way, I want to say, hey, everybody who's watching on YouTube, or it really helps. One of these days, I'll actually monetize this. Okay, some of our framework. You know that this is React. And if this stuff doesn't look great, I can tell you there is one site that uses straight up HTML, vanilla HTML. And I know about this site because I worked for the client for about 6 weeks, just 6 weeks. It's Victoria's Secret, and that's all I'm going to do, because when I mention them, I'm like, hey, you're free. All right. Well, I don't want to get that whole all right, your basic actions. You want to be able to do a navigation, enter, select something from it, click insert. You know who has a website that does this? And so add a new one. And it's going to be we're going to do the test page for this guy up here. This guy right up here. Selectors Pro. Test page for Selectors Pro. If you are an automation engineer and you are not using Selectors Pro, you should go to Selectors Pro. Just copy that there. Done. So, it's added this. Now let's go. We don't have any system with it. Did it tell me? Oh, there we go. Go there. Switch to Selectors Pro. All right, so we can work on multiple different projects at the same time. Let's go ahead and checkbox. I would put that in there. Multiple projects. It's really big. Hey, Paulie, you don't know how to spell automation? Are you kidding me? I'm sorry. spelling. Monkeys. All right. So, let's see. That's kind of big. I'm gonna go to this tutorial. Tutorial. That is so far while you do want that. What if this is the other side? I could well again, one thing. I want to a little bit there. Let me get very bottom. There is a practice page. This is we're going to go back over to and we're going to go to the practice. So I'll click all these buttons. Where is that? Alright, that's good. No, I want to look for this. That's the and I'm just going to go to my oh, it's definitely a concept that I want to do. I want to do a custom flow test. All right, first thing I need to do is I got to put in that starting URL. So there's my starting URL. All right, cool. We can now start doing. Hey, there's a go-to. Hey, Bing, go-to navigation. I know that that's going to work. I'm going to make this. I'm going to make this a little smaller so we can actually see the live interactive browser. So let's actually going to go to it has a whole bunch of different elements. It's very much like an internet website, but it goes to different criteria. Like a map and it has almost every element that you can look at to enter stuff in, stuff on it. And back there is actually a couple of different content pages. You can check out here. So let's go to all right. So, all I do is, well, there's the email there. You just click on that. And my email is me and email I like. Well, that's it. First, we need to select from a list. And look, I can scroll this up and down. This is an advanced feature. I want to be able to scroll up, down, into view. Especially in your live one. Okay. Are we adding? We want to go, yeah, we want to go back to our top over here. Select from the list. So let's go select something from the list. There's my list over here. I'm going to go click on it. I think there we go. I'm going to select that. Right? So this is select. Can we click a button? Let's see. I'm actually consider a small donation and support the practice instead of a content. I'll come to that. What other buttons? There's some icons. Click. Oh, the next thing we want to do is search for the element. So, search something. I can do that by, but oh, these are the visual assertion, textual version of API call. So there's an API call. It gives me a little clue what to validate. Validate the modal there, and that is visible. All right, we're going to give that a run. See that over here. And what? All right, the name of the test. Oh, and by the way, if you're using Windows, you want to click over there, you can report history. I bet you know the way you launch that is Windows. All right, so we gave it a run, and I'm going to see if it will run over here. And again, buddy. All right. By the way, my run next I don't know that this has a part of that. And the reason I have to look what I'm going to tell you is right and under there is, see, this is the biggest problem. See, there is something over there. Okay, that's pause. Pause browser. I'm going to go with that. Click the link for learning. So we're going to see if it does have this. Actually has kind of a hard and a soft start because we did not actually where is it? So let's have a searching here. What I want to do is is visible. All right, it's visible. Start disabled. There, equals not right. So add that later. With this, it's not just visible. This is visible. the same thing. Google Stories is stable. It do not have that over text, but there's still we're going to continue recording over here. And visual API call. Where are you? There's API features. Go ahead and do that. Headers, cookies, documentation, and body with click back. Post 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So probably good. Basic stuff pretty good. SLA response. I'm not quite sure on that contact testing. I'm not sure. Using AI, well, most of this is kind of AI. There's the visual validation. Oh wait, I do have. See if I can do a partial. So I've actually ended up on the wrong page. Here's one thing I'm not quite easy about is like I know another company that's maybe it's because you're here. Okay. So that's like that. Is that the way we're gonna be? We're gonna be like that. Okay. Yeah, I would like case sensitive, case insensitive. So I want to validate. It's not supported by the fair enough. Oh, there's a other. Let's try this. Here. Other over. Over there. We're gonna go. Did it. Did it. And what if I hover over smoke? I guess I would want to validate that right after that. So we do physical validation, verify that, and I'm over product. Okay. So I hover over product Test Case Studio Pro. Did I say Test Case Studio Pro? So Test Case Studio Pro is there. So I'll verify that. That test case. It's all one word. Test Case Studio Pro is visible. Is it actually? Okay, so it's going to do that. So I should see Test Case Studio Pro. Now, and actually this, check this out. When I did this, Test Case Studio Pro, that's capital T and a capital C. What do I put over here? So this actually does case insensitive. That's cool. I like that. We're going to give this another shot. See if I can run that. Is not a text box. Enter email field. browser to select it. All right. Let's see. Where's that email? That there. Okay. The email, under email field. Under email. Okay. It kind of duplicated that. We have to come back to that. I want to mark that. Let's see. Any chats with me going on? Nobody. All right. We got 5 people watching. 4 users. Thank you very much. Figure out. This thing is not. The element. Standard. It's run. Let's just put it in there. We're going to have to come back to that. Here's your left back. Back to let's see. Let's do a substring there. Let's do a substring. Let's go with data flow. Data flow. All right, so the substring there. And we're going to hit the run. Let's see if we get there. And we're going to run. And we'll get back to our initial form. We hovered over, we're trying to do a hover over product and verify that data field is there. Rerun. Okay. All right. Got a sale going on. We're going to 6 paths at some point. All right. Okay, it hovered over that. Now it's looking for that data field. One user action locating the element. One user action locating the element. Okay. Maybe a thing against speed over there. Let's see if I can do it. I've got 6 people watching. Thank you very much. My chat is open. The music you are listening to is now below the screen portion, and that is my apologies. Share with me live. I am sitting here doing test automation, and I've got a little checklist. So this is the things to be able to do with the automation. So this guy actually said we should not find it. That has a the elements that are for the different third, this over here, and I can go that. This little guy's field. All right. We made it. All right, let's go give that a run. We got a pass on that. Enabled or disabled, like that. Anything that's. I wish I could. Is this disabled? That is disabled. Yeah. All right, I'll go one more time. Verify. Here. That. Give me a run. So yes, disabled, all of this. Interact with all the owners. We already know this. Link. Here's a link. The link that things that needed to so we are going to go forward. Wow, anyway, that's project doesn't exist. Oh, lost somebody. Someone said, I'm going to so we're going to go on this setting over here. Down through. Really good. Relative element location. Relative element location update. Over there. Yeah, we can do Get a motor that would be good. It's supposed to be this is a motor if I hover over something, there's no click on the there. That's what this is I want to go here. I can start this way. Remember. Okay, so what happens if I do this? I'll go hover over this. Kind of impossible to do because that's in the element. And it can't hit it. I'm not going to do it. No. Last thing else on YouTube. Okay, so this did fail. Now, if I go and try one more time without that on there, is that going to push that button? It is. That's not. Let's go back. Is there a back? That's another action. You should be able to do. Should add that. Like you do it. So you do a right click or a double click. Right. Undo. We do it? Okay. Everything here. So good. We're gonna put that on the list. Undo. Which one we how about we and I'm gonna do it hard. Can I do oh look at yeah. Let's go here. Double click. Let's have a double click. Good. Click. Let's do a double click. Missing a double click. All right. So we don't have that. We have a right click. Right click. No right. You're right up. All right. Right left click. So we don't have a right click. Unfortunately, we don't have that. We do have a hover. Type something in here. TYP. Oh yeah, we can type. Have a pointer. Let's try to type. Like into enter. We get it in there. Give it a run. Oh no, it's not. Ooh, somebody else. Alright, we're gonna have what else do we have? And what are we recording? Where's my recording? Select. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's right. There's this thing. I was just in this I like that. Playing the game as if he's really there. Excuse my down. So what did I want to do next? Everything or collecting these guys, which I do know and do that, and yeah, flow. But we're not going to do it. Thanks. I wanted to go back and hit on these elements. So this was having a problem. Can I disable? That's what I thought. Should be able to disable line, not delete it, just disable it. So I can come back to it. I'll add that in there. And I think here and this purple. Oh, that's fixed by AI. Okay, that's good enough for AI. I'm gonna put the AI in there. We're gonna mark that off. I like that. Go from there. Make sure that I get it right. That's what I'm gonna do. That is a problem. And because it's not. God, can you tell me? Oh, wait. Can you tell me? Can you tell me what it is? Tell me what it is. Just don't tell me. It's not a text box. Well, then what is it? And I guess we're gonna have to go right click on it. See if I call it. Am I not connected in there? There we go. So if I right click on it, over here. Tell me what you want. Like that. Says it's an input. So I'm not sure what the problem there is. Let's over here. We want here. Cool. So what are we looking at? Element. I delete it. That's going to be true. Click on it and save it.
Well, pray Jesus, precious nails by the giant fresh taste the first light when they do come down.
I don't know. Oh, wow, that. Here we go. Alright, so we want to go and we do know that we were able to select there's a video. Say check box. Check. I run it. Hit check. Alright. Cool. So I can hit check. I believe I selected some of it. Let's go. Go, buddy. Alright. So, yeah. I'm going to go. How's recording? That's recording. Around. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go.
Train itself from home to close. Tears on seven shoes. Silver spoon and bread.
I should see it doing it.
Ether eyes have never seen where dirty hands have never been.
So I can do a create and run and run these on the road here. I do want to run. I go back to my phone. Results, click away. Oh, yeah, and this next scroll, okay, broken down. And we go down to there's here, buddy. Okay. Alright. As I was almost sleeping, it was time for me to wake up and work somehow. Dude, put your sleep. Seriously. Yeah. Who cares? Don't. So I do have 4 people watching. I've been looking at this the radio button doesn't work. We have a combo box. I don't think I have a combo box available. There is a tape field, but I think we're going to click on tape. 5, and 6. Oh, all right, did this go in there? Yep, 0325. Clear. Clear. All right, and did it change yet? 325. I guess. Okay. Enter key up here. All right. And I'm going to pause the recording. Let's clear this out. Then I'm going to set the recording on. And I'm going to let this run. It looks like we can do it. And it typed it in. Okay. All right. So we can do an input box. It's in there twice. Yeah. Combo box made click the link. I think we did click the link. But I'm not sure. There's no link over there. Learning Hub. I'm still recording. No, click on the Learning Hub. Takes me to a second tab. Oh, I can see the tab now. All right, if I close the tab, what happens? I'm going to close current browser tab. I like that. Can I go back? Navigate to data. Forward. Reload. So yeah, reload. I think reload just covers the browser. Reload. Reload, maybe. Switch browser tabs. You can do that. That's cool. I think we have a drag and a drag. Put something there for all. And take this one over here. That's all. And drag it over here. There's no drag over. And most of this. The insertion subject. If you I'll go over here. We'll go
the host of Stephen Foster at the Hotel Paradise. This is what I told him as I gazed into his eyes. Rooms were made for carpets, towers made for spires, ships were made for cannonade to fire off from inside them. Camptown ladies never sang all it do. No.
That is
Camptown ladies never sang all it do. No.
Run. They gave me a check because it does find it. If I click on the check and found it there. How many is there? It actually did a option. Alright. Yeah, we can do something there. And I'm not sure.
With the host of Stephen Foster at the Hotel Paradise. This is what I told him as I gazed into his eyes. Ships were made for sinking, whiskey made for drinking. If we were made of cellophane, we'd all get stinking drunk much faster. Camptown ladies never sang all that do not. No. Camptown ladies never sang all that do not.
You're going to we'll do that. Forward. Good. Good. That. And put it back. I'm going to do one more check, which is to see if it does it, if it's off the screen. All right. Recording. We're going to give it a run. And I did it. What's an opal? We did it right there. All right, cool. So, combo list. Is good. There's also some text validation so we can do that. I right click on this. That was a simple thing. So I'm going to go into this. Check. Yeah. Good. AI is in there. And it is what you're going to found. Highlighted. Highlight that. All right. So I'm pretty sure it's going to do there. After that, we would want to see if we could pull out take a look at this page for weight. I think there's like a weight here. So let me go. Wait. We got 5 seconds. Wait a minute. Wait for processing here. I would let's really wait for elements up to 10 seconds. Before each step, wait 2 seconds and click. All right, I think that's data. First of all, we want to update this. We have parameters. I should add that in there. Parameters. There. I'm going to have group parameters. I'm not add and this is superheroes. That. And that is the upload is download that is so there's our username. There's our password. That I have to add. This world is closing in and while I don't feel a thing, we've lost the end of innocence. We shared walls and peace once so cold. And let's say zero. And here is so we got Spider-Man. That is the Parker has colors too. I use the attachment to Parker. There we go. And who else we got? I think the Doc. Oh yeah. Might as well put the download the Clark Kent. I think that's all we're going to do. that. And the data set people is done. I'll go and file. We'll save as superhero data set. I want to. It didn't download. Now close that off. You have to do that. I will upload a data set. Data set is on download. Okay, we're going to open that puppy up. All right, we uploaded this. Here we go, and we'll add the data. So now we have the data set. This data set. That's more than enough time. I would like that. But yeah, we can do a data set. Cool. Where's my data? Data. Here. The data set. Yeah, data set. I think parameters. Oh, superhero. Cool. Alright. Back to our and let's do the set. Alright, we are at test. To back here. I'm going to associate to this 1 second. How do I do that? I want to input detail, the test name, viewport, description, plans. There is no plan. Should say the plan. That is a what about the smoke test? Because that will mean I can knock it out. Okay, doesn't repeat. We'll create that. Let's say that is going to be organization over here, basic organization. If I can do a smoke, I can do a sanity, and I can do a regression. Sounds good to me. We do have variables, and we have I'll do map. Let's go connect. This is one of the more interesting things that is really cool. So I put the element to the path. There. I don't know. Just looking at it, it's not showing me the password. Am I recording? I am recording. I click on this concept, tool concept. These are all in shadow down. Okay, so that's the
that mean it's gonna have lucky. And then maybe I have to grab the there when it's all right. Let's see. Any custom code. Let's do guys textual validation. I don't want to bother keeping it in the middle of the night. Speaking of, let's see, recording that. We're going to stop. Working with images. I think we did. And I think go down still needs to be checked. Let's go do that. This is a DOM. That's a total DOM. And inside all right, we're going to go here and let's settle down. All right, this guy is going to go and enter the name. And we're going to have to go to the that is a shadow down that is not doing what it is supposed to be. Are we recording? We are recording, but it's not seeing it. All right. Use your best. Let's see about that. It looks like that there, hang around with the top of it. I don't know that I've got the back. All right. Disability. Yeah, I call it. It was loading. You watch the loading. Saw that. Over go left. I added set randomly. Set as to the right of this. Ooh, more relative element location. All I have okay. Run. What's it called? The run is you would name it. Oh yeah, add. Okay. Okay. All right. You know what? We're gonna. Oh wait.
All right. We're gonna go and see if concepts. What I'm trying to do is see if I can go and delete this over here, and that's going to say actually, hold on. I want to do it. So we're recording. We're going to go into shadow down. We've done that. What do you say? Oh, this is we are going to go and verify that. And I'm wondering if you can correct that is not recorded. Typo, right. Look at that. So, yes, I can type these. I'm not sure if I can do these guys, but I can definitely type. All right, you know what, everybody, for it's 1:30 and 1. Oh, you know what? I think we're going to call it there. And just go please slide through all the pieces we went through. I noticed that all of these sites, I'm not sure this is the aspect that I do all the basic languages to do the sections available, our searches we already do. I think the other boxes don't have a combo box in here. I'm going to go ask my good friend. We didn't have mostly class mostly for self-healing. Oh, we're going to go put that over here. Self-healing objects. Okay. And what else do we have? Let's see if I can pull attributes from this. If I could do city organization, focusing and regression, definitely if I have organizations there, I'm just going to take a look at Q2. Say, hey, I only need to run my search test cases. Hard coding variables are definitely in the data. I don't know if there's custom code. There is probably some sort of notification out there. We also work in the advanced. You know that Genie and Angular are working up here. Linux, pipe, navigation. There is no right to we're definitely control. Software search, custom keys on fail. We'll update the glasses. I don't know about the visual accessibility section, or even that. We saw a table on the am I recording? Just go click on this. Now we'll go forward. On an image. Just click the link. Click on the box.
It never shows what one for all and each to their own. What was ours now is strange and gone and breeding side by side. Could never find a peace of mind without it.
There it is. ABLE. How about well? Example. Oh, hey, we got some more viewers. Thank you very much. That's our open. You guys missed. Oh, the opus was wrong. Do you play any games? Not a gamer. Not. I have a gaming system, but I do not play. Sorry about that. I do yeah, not so much you know why? Because I played this. Let's see. Data attribute. I'm not sure if it's data QA title, accept string, attribute, validation, that's all your output. What else to do? Yeah, organization carries this coded environment data. Welcome for feedback there's stuff, yes, that's in there. It's in the wrong spot. I have to go move that. Oh yeah, you can create data here and use it somewhere else. Could this involve capture from the user error token? I'm not too sure on. And then I'm not even sure on custom code. And then finally reporting. Well, it definitely has. I think it has historical trends. So I think I can do check mark on the reporting. Yeah, I think so I'm going to update the run. With the test with the data, we have plans, we have browsers and devices plans. I think we covered everything. Our tests. If I give it a run, it says it's running right now. Edit, run this test. I run that test. Okay, so we just jumped over. There's our result. We expect the result. Okay. And I was sitting in the joint, my phone was by my side. I was ready to swing, man. I was ready to slip and slide. And this and my old soft shoes, ready to roll, just chasing the blues. That chick came over here, what she said to me. Hey, big fat daddy, what you doing over here alone? I heard you have reputation, shaking that me no phone. That's right. Getting it to you know you groove, sticking out fool and play cool. Shake that phone, baby, shake your phone for me. You do have, you gotta shake that phone. Yep, shake that phone. Yep. Shake that phone. Shake that phone. Looks like big fat phones off that display. You gotta shake that phone. Shake that phone. Shake that phone. Report capture. Shake that phone. Look at this. That's not this. I did see a full thing before. there's no screen. There's no full screen. Issues. No, it's at the beginning of this video. All right, everybody. Please like it. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to get ready for my new job. It starts tomorrow morning. And we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching this little messing around of tools of checklist. And at the very, very beginning, I also talked about the there's some some virtual machine. There is some stuff that I was working with AI Pro. I think it's because of the music. Hey, you're absolutely welcome. And yeah, catch the first 15, 30 minutes of this. I was creating a game. Let's see, you were asking me, do I play games? No. Occasionally, I was trying to create some games, and there's like a API, an API, a virtual. Boy, the words are just the community. This is terrible. Um, you can build a game based on the description to an AI. There you go. And that was some cool Google AI Ultra stuff. So go check that out. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you again. Talk to you later. Cheers.